Hello and welcome to Excel Highway. In today's video, I want to share with you a new employee onboarding process that I created using Google Forms. So whenever you have a new employee joining in, you can use Google Forms to create an onboarding form for him or her, and they can just follow along, and you can be sure that they are ready to start working. So
This video is sponsored by Connecting.
let's see how it looks from an employee's perspective. So you have this opening screen with the new employee onboarding. Welcome to Big Burger. We're excited for you to join us with this message. Click on next, and then you get started with a word from our quote unquote CNO. So just a clip from Key and Peele that I took online of Tim Cook that they can watch, of course. So this could be a real video of your CEO or owner or yourself. And then just some text like the history, the mission, the core values of the company. By the way, I took everything from ChatGPT. It helped me generate the text for the Big Burger company. So I got all the values, got the organizational structure. Okay, so everything can be here. Next, products and menu. So talking about the different menu items like the burgers, chicken salad, side dishes, etc., etc. Some key steps on day-to-day operations, and finally a quiz, like with some questions. What are the Big Burger values? So quality, customer satisfaction, teamwork, all of the above. What's the difference between the classic? Let's see this one. What are the desserts offered? Yada yada yada. I submit, and my response has been submitted, and I can see it over here in the actual form itself. Obviously, they're all mine, but you can see in the summary every person what they filled out, the questions, and eventually also in a dedicated Google Sheets, which we'll look at in the next video. So how was this generated? It's very simple. Let me show you. All you need is a Gmail account over here. You click on Forms, create a new blank form. So start with the header. So employee onboarding process, or just onboarding. First off, you can customize the theme. You can change the fonts, the size of headers, questions, or text. You can change the color to something like that. You can add an image like I added. You see, you have an image. You can even upload an image if you want. So I can select this one. And then you start adding sections. So each section should be, before we add the section, just add one piece of text. So welcome to Big Burger. We are happy that you joined us. Please review please follow the form. Okay, something like that, and you can bold that part. And this could be section 1. Today's video is sponsored by Connecting. Connecting is an app that simplifies all of your business management. It's a perfect solution to manage, train, and communicate with your non-desk employees. Connecting offers solutions for scheduling, time tracking, and more. Today I will focus on the employee's onboarding process that can be done via Connecting. I want to show you how easy it is to create an onboarding course. Simply click on Courses here under the Communication and click on Add New Course. You can see there's two options, start from scratch or use a template. I highly recommend that you use a template because they're easy to update and they give you a start for uh, this course. So I'm going to go ahead and click on template, and you'll see that you can not only add um, text here, but you can add pictures, videos, quizzes, and much more. So you can see that I already have the onboarding cost template. I can click on edit, and I can see this is the header and this is the text, and you see a picture. And on the right, you're always going to see live how it looks like from the employee's perspective. So if I change the text here, remove this, add a comma, you immediately see it over here. You can see that we have an option to add a video. So there's a video here that was uploaded, and the person can click in and watch it. And for example, there's a quiz in the end that you have questions with different answers and the right answer. So really cool, really easy to modify and create your own onboarding process. Once I'm done and I can click on save, then I can select how to publish, either select user or smart groups, and eventually I can just publish. And once I do that, uh, the courses will be ready and published, and my team can start using it. Here's how it looks like from the employee's perspective. You can see I have my courses here, onboarding course template. So I can click here and see the form. I have the video that I can see. I can start next. I can move around. Eventually I have to fill out everything, of course. I can take a look at the test section. I have the questions I fill out. You can see that there's pictures. So it's very nice. I highly recommend you use Connect Team for your daily operation. Use my affiliate link in the description. Start your 14-day free trial or 1 year for up to 10 user companies. And then you can have section 2, which could be, as we saw, something like the introduction, introduction to Big Burger. And I can add a video and just search for the URL on YouTube. You can post your CEO's Tim Cook. This is an example, of course, so I can just insert that easy, and that's here. So you can a word from our CEO. You have that as the intro. Of course, you can add more text here, more text, and then you can add another section. Of course, you can name the sections, of course. Where is it? So this would be menu items, for example. And as you saw, we could write the big burger, fries, and all the details that I had over here. Not going to repeat that. You can see it over here. Values, all the important things that people need to know. So that just these are just text that I added. Text, text, text. And the last part is the quiz, which is also simple to do. You just add questions. So where did Big Burger launch? And just multiple questions. So it could be New York, Boston, Chicago, or you can just add other that they can fill out manually. And it's a multiple choice. Of course, you can do all sorts of checkboxes, etc. There are a few options here. And yeah, this could be a section. By the way, you can drag things along. So this could be a quiz part. And what's always recommended to do when you work with forms is click on the preview button. That's what I shared in the beginning. That's just going to show you exactly how it's going to look for the person receiving it. So you see you have the text, you have to click on that to record the email, and you have that, and you have the next part and the next part. So yeah. So once you're done, you can just, of course, you can change the name of the form to onboarding. Once you're done, you can always click on the send. So I'll go over here and I can click on send, and you can send by email to people, or you can attach this as a link and just start filling out the forms. So I hope that you found this interesting and valuable for you. If you did, please make sure to subscribe and leave a comment. I'll be happy to answer your questions. I'll see you next time. Take care.